While I'm waiting on parts to show up, I got a shift seal that I need to put on this 62 TE. I have a video on this already, but I have come up with a way it's easy to get this thing off of there. Some people complained about the way I did it in the video, but this turns out to be much easier. So this shift saver kit from Sonex is 262991-04K, and it's going to replace this thing. This thing likes to crack. This one is not cracked at all, but I changed these out on all of them. So what I got is this tool right here. Has been in my toolbox forever. There is no brand name on it. The only thing it says on it is type 1 5/8. It's just a PVC cutter. So get you one of these, and then make sure we're getting a good enough view on this thing. Just get on here on the side of it. See if we can get a good view of it. Just get on there just like that and just squeeze it down, and it makes quick work of this thing. Do that on that side, turn that around. Doesn't have to be 180, but it helps if it's close enough to it. I think we got a little bit more right here. Got to get off. And it seems to be all the way. It'll not get this side all the way.
Let me show you something.
And that's all there is to it.